Hello and welcome to another video on my YouTube channel. Now I am Michael Coates and I'm the founder and creator of the sewingguru.com. It is the leading sewing learning website there is, and we cater for everyone, including the beginner to the intermediate all the way up to high-end professional. Now I wanted to come on today because we have got a brand new look Sewing Guru and it is changed in a big way. So I'm going to go live and we're going to have a look at this Sewing Guru site. Here we are. This is live. Now as you can see, this is the Sewing Guru. Now if I pull the screen over, as you can see, it changes to any size. So this means that the Sewing Guru is now responsive, bringing it up into 2021 and soon 2022 and so on and so forth. Now the whole thing is responsive like this as well. Now the best thing is we have here a free membership. So if you wanted to learn how to do some sewing and you want to have a look at the site, you can sign up here for free. All you have to do is click the green button here and you will get this sign up form. Now it's really simple. It really is. All you have to do is put in your name, your email, and choose your username, choose your password, and that's it. Click next and you will then have signed up for a free membership. It's completely free and you will just be able to log in. So we're going to go back to the site. So once you've got your free membership, I think you can just log straight in from that screen. It'll go to the next screen and then it'll log you straight in. But you will also get an email sent to you with your login details. But what we've changed as well within the Sewing Guru site is, I'm going to show you this. Once you've got your details, you can then log in. So you click the login button here, which takes you to this screen. Now we've created a test account just for this purpose and you click login. Now here we are at this test screen, or this screen. This is what you get as a full member. Now if I go here, this is here what you would get as a free member. Now can you see all this? There's a lot there. Now this is the main panel. So you get the beginners courses, advanced lessons. Now all of these here with a little symbol here, an icon, means that you've got to upgrade to watch these. You can't watch these. But all of these here are fully available. The ones which don't have an icon, and you can then freely watch these. And like I say, it's free. So let's have a look at the ladies tailored jacket. Click on there. So we've got video 1 here, and it all works completely free. All free. And again, I'm going to pull it over. See that? All totally responsive. Totally responsive. So you can watch this on mobile phones, any device. And we've got here another free video, and then here if you want to upgrade to unlock all the rest of the collection, you can by doing that. But the best thing is we have created a manage my account. So if I go to manage my account here, from here you can change your password if you want to. So we've got here, this is me of course, test@test.com. This is just a fictitious email, so don't send us emails to that, because that's just a fictitious email for the concept of this video. My username is test1234, which again, that there is a fictitious username, and you can change your password, and you can do that as a free member and also as a full membership, and also as well you see the active resources here. So whatever you have, you will see it here. But this is your panel, your own panel here, and you basically get everything working from this panel. So I'm going to go to the, actually that's the full access membership. So as you see here, full access membership. You've got a downloadable welcome pack. You've got the downloadable set of sewing e-tips, every single one. You can see them all. That's all there. We have all 47 e-tips. If I bring it on the screen there, you can, let's bring this up a bit. 100%. There we go. So there's your e-tips. These are fully downloadable. So they're all there. We've got beginners courses. So you've got the sewing machine course, the beginner's course here, and everything works like I've just shown you. So you've got the pattern here again, there's a PDF file here, and you can just download that. And again, it's all within this sort of this concertina system here. All the videos are available here on each screen, and like I say, it is responsive, as you can see there. So it works on every single device. Go back to the main panel, but look at that, look what you get here. We've got the sewing craft section, we've got petware coming soon. That'll be live on this particular software in the next 1 to 2 weeks. That'll be live very soon. Advanced sessions, we've got clothing alterations, we've got a massive alterations index section here as well. Look at that, jacket alterations, trousers, skirts. If I go to trousers alterations, all of these alterations here, look again, this sort of concertina concept here that they've created is really, really great, and you know, it's all there. So we'll go back to the alterations panel there, or we can go back to the main panel here. It's really great, love it, love the site. So that's it. Basically, I just wanted to come on and show you the brand new Sewing Guru website, and I'm really, really proud of it. I think it looks great. And it's a lot better than it used to be. You can manage your own account now, and you can see what membership you have and all that kind of thing. You can choose your own username, you choose your own password. So it's really, really easy. Before, people were sort of getting a little bit confused about the username and the password, because the software would automatically send them one that they hadn't chosen. But now you can choose your own, so you won't forget, and you can just log in, and it's really, really great. So that's all I wanted to do. I just wanted to come on and show you the new look sewingguru.com website. And don't forget, you can get a free membership, 100% free. Just click free membership on the home screen of the website. And that's it. Very simple. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in another video.